Quick reading for April the 7th to April the 8th. Sagittarius. Your cards are the Five of Swords, the Hermits, and the Sun. Meron dito mga pinaglaban si person. Probably, pwedeng ikaw, pinaglaban mo itong relasyon na ito. You can search the energies, What I'm reading is the dynamic. Let's say, parang nawawala yung init nitong relationship ninyo. Yung isa hindi pumayag, kailangan may gawin akong paraan, kailangan ayusin ko to, kailangan maging maayos kami, kailangan hindi ito matapos. Kung ano man yung pinaglaban na yon. Siyempre yung challenges na yon, binigyan ng malaking effort, naghirap. And it felt like ito yung harvest ng paghihirap na yon. Nakakakita din tayo ng enlightenment coming from the other person na sasabihin na oo nga, napatunayan naman niya na mahal niya ako, napatunayan naman niya na totoo siya, na seryoso siya. So, bakit hindi bigyan ng isa pang chance? So, this is your quick reading for April the 7th to April the 8th, Sagittarius.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.